Another fabulous car has just joined our four-wheel drive selection. This is the Land Rover Discovery, the new generation, but this is a D300. And for the guys and girls that know, the D300 is a 3-litre, 300 horsepower new engine, fabulous may I add. This is the R-Dynamic SE, but then it has a few extras. On a 2021, but the 71 registration, so it's good as new, with 4,000 miles on. Today with the live pricing, this car is 74,990. In the signature Fuji white, which is stunning by the way, absolutely amazing. Now this one has a full black styling pack on it as well. And whilst the R-Dynamic SE has a cracking specification, this one has got some very, very nice key features, which I'll show you in a few seconds. First of all, you've got this amazing, the R-Dynamic styling, the body styling on the R-Dynamics with that lovely fin on the side, the black sections, the front apron does look, it looks brilliant. It has a very good aggressive look on it. So it looks sporty, but it looks luxurious at the same time. You've then got the new detailing in the headlights. It's more refined, more brighter, LED daytime running lights, full LED headlights with the headlight washers. This car then has front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, and park assist, so the car does park itself. Again, to aid you, you've got full 360 view camera system. So there is a camera in the front, there's a camera in the wing mirrors, and there's a camera in the boot lid. The new style grille is absolutely beautiful. Again, finished in high gloss black, just like the badging as well. Round the side, you've got the 21-inch alloy wheels, finished in jet black. Again, with that sporty look, with all the black arches, the black side vents, side steps, that bottom section, everything just flows. All the contrasting colours on this car is either white or black, and you have to admit, there's lots of silver ones and grey ones, but when you see one like this, you think, you know what, it does look absolutely mega. Contrasting black roof, and the biggest option on this car, which is not something you see all the time on the R-Dynamic SEs, is this one's got the sliding tilting roof on it, which they don't. Normally they're just static, which is a panoramic glass roof. Comfort access, and then you get hit with this. The duo ivory and ebony leather interior. Again, super soft, perforated leather seats. You've got electric seats with lumbar support for driver and passenger with memory seats. That new dashboard and the new center console, new steering wheel, the design features are absolutely amazing. The media screen is absolutely massive, it's huge, very easy to control. That's your navigation, Bluetooth, onboard computer. The new dials for the climate control are nice to touch, nice to feel, and easy to maneuver. It's very family friendly, as in user friendly is the word I'm looking for. The Meridian sound system, extra speakers front and rear. The extended leather, and that's lovely piano black finish to the trims on the interior doors, front and back. Back seats, same again, that twin leather, ebony and ivory. You've got that perforated seat in the back as well. USBs, USCs, the sockets in the back of the seat, so you can put iPad holders in there, coat hangers. Remember, the Discovery is a 7-seater. It is a big car. You don't have to use all 7 seats all at once, because the third row seating can go flat. The newer style Discoveries have the newer back lights there with the LED on the lower level now. Automatic tailgate with a split boot. And then this one also has a detachable towbar. So whenever we sell Discoveries, customers ask us all the time, has it got a towbar? And if it hasn't, they have to go and get one fitted. It isn't the monetary side of stuff. It's only £600 to £900, but it's the time, the hassle, and you can't get them fitted straight away. So this car is ready to go with a tilt and sliding sunroof, with the detachable towbar, in the white with a black styling pack. What more could you want, genuinely? Them seats go down, literally, you push that, and then just fall flat. It's as easy as that. When you're not using the third row seating, the boot is massive. When you are using the third row seating, if you're using all 7 seats in the car, you've got this much. Let's be honest about it, it's not the biggest of spaces, but it's a case of what's more important. Do you want to take your friends and family with you, or can you do without taking one of them and leave them at home and just use that space for all your bags, your pushchairs, prams, and everything else you can use it for? You press these 2 buttons here, and that takes that middle row forward and flat, allowing it a more sort of storage area or movement area, call it what you want and what you're going to use it for. Press that button, that lifts up, that closes up. With 4,000 miles on a 71 registration, the car is literally brand new. It's immaculate. There isn't a speck of dust on it. It's been so well looked after. It's going to make someone very happy. Ready for the new year, get yourself a nice new car with all the peace of mind of the Land Rover warranty if anything was to go wrong. But it's just amazing. They are nice and high up, so the steps do make a difference because you step onto it as you get into it. Child locks, electric windows and mirrors. The new dash, the new steering wheel, everything. I mean, this feels brilliant, obviously. The leather's nice and soft. but all this illuminates your cruise control, the limiter, Bluetooth controls and voice control, but you can see the little nibbly bits at the end, nice to touch and feel. More detail into the paddle shift. The navigation is displayed all the way across the middle here, but you can change that as well. Underneath here, you have the electric adjustment for the steering column to go in and out and up and down. But for me, this is all changed. The whole big screen, the 360 camera system, which is very easy to use. Just press away, it'll take you to different angles of the car. You've also got the off-road camera system, so you can see underneath exactly what you're going over, if you're going to hit anything. You've then got the new gear shifter, nice and short, feels good, feels quite sporty, nice warm feeling to it. There's a little button underneath, you press that, R for reverse, D for drive, and once you finish driving, you press the P button. Like most Land Rover products, this one here, when it pops up, this comes up here, the different program you can select: grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, sand, and wade. Let's go underwater. Nice finish here. This is all matte finish to it, all like a nice dark grey matte. Twin cup holders, sliding section here with more cubbyhole space down there, and you've got centre armrest with more USB as well. The car is phenomenal. It's physical, it's available, it's been prepped. In the Fuji White R-Dynamic SE with the detachable tow bar, tilt and sliding sunroof, the 21-inch wheels, 74990 on a 71 reg. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'm more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.